Again, everyone, I am back with yet again another video about this Linktree clone I made. However, this is the final one. I went ahead and made some changes to the project after the last cast, and I didn't think it would be enough to warrant recording the whole thing. Turns out the changes were a little substantial, so I just wanted to go ahead and take this chance to walk you through the changes I made, show you the final fully deployed project that is now attached to my social media accounts, which is very helpful. And then also, I took the chance to upload the project folder. So now, if you watch this cast, you can look at the project files and everything, take a look at my code, and it's all there for you. All right, so let's get started. First off, here we are. We have this guy right over here on the left side of the screen, taking a look at it in mobile view because that's how it's intended to be viewed. When you click on it from my Instagram or my TikTok profile, we'll see it like this. So all this works right here using some font awesome icons. Decided to add those. Makes it look a bit nicer. Wanted to make all the icons or all the buttons the same width, so I did that as well. And these are all the final links I have displayed on my social media. So this takes you to my TikTok page right there, Instagram, my art Instagram. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and clarify. I'll leave it as is. You click on it. I feel like the name of the Instagram is pretty self-explanatory. This is where I put my art that I draw. And then a Marvel website I made, my web development portfolio. If you'd like to check out my work, my Codecast profile, one of the most important ones here, and then Redbubble store. I sell some stickers based on some of the art I draw, and then I've got this little footer here letting you know this page was built by me. I didn't use a Linktree or anything else. And then for business inquiries, it might seem a little silly, but I actually got my first email from a PR firm who wanted to send me something for a show that's coming out, which is pretty exciting. Yeah, so that is what the final product looks like. I may still mess around with the font, but I'm pretty happy with it so far. So here are the changes I made. So over here, I added a brand new component called Contact.js. That is for this section right here. At first I was using another instance of the text banner, but I wanted to do this right here, this href mail to with my email address. So that way you could just click on it and you wouldn't just have to copy and paste it. Whatever I could do to make it easier for people to inquire about partnerships or whatever. There it is. So I did that, and everything's just right here in the component. I didn't really use any props because if I want to, I can change that later, but that was just to make it a little easier. And then the footer right here, I added the footer, another component. I did add props to this because this was easy. It's just straight text, no hrefs or anything. And then this is what the final app page looks like here. Actually, this property is wrong, so I'll go ahead and update that. Just say headshot of Michael Torona. No one will know that it was just a picture taken by my friend of me with an iPhone's portrait mode inside Disney California Adventure in front of the Guardians of the Galaxy Red before it opened. All right. But yeah, so I imported all of the font awesome icons here. I use these on my Marvel site, which you can get to by clicking here, mcunu.com. Check it out. No ads or anything, so I won't make money from you looking at it. I'm just really proud of it. Another React project. So I added those icons, imported them from here, did npm install for font awesome, and then these two different types of icons. We have the brand icons and then just the free regular ones. So I added those icons here into the logo. So I added a new prop to the link buttons. It's pretty straightforward, just called logo. Right there, put it in front of name, put a space between the two. And so I just put the code importing not importing, but calling upon the icon with the size and everything inside of logo as an object with curly braces around it. That worked out really well. So there you have it. That is it. Just a small little update, but most importantly, wanted to get a chance to put the code, the full folder for this project up on Codecast so you have access to it. And then I'm going to go back for the other casts and say, if you want to take a look at the code, head to this specific cast. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this little update. I've got some more. I think I'm going to maybe start with haven't worked with a back end in a while, to be honest, since last year. Should probably brush up on that. So I'm going to brush up on that, and then I will try working on a small, very small full stack project next before I ramp up to a bigger full stack project, one that I've been thinking about for a while. All right. Thank you so much for watching.